guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's a beautiful morning here in the village, and on our agenda today is bringing in all the material we'll be needing to start construction on the house. This house is mainly our residence and also for our staff or our farmhand. We're starting off with bricks. In our village, finding bricks is not a very easy task. Finding these bricks, we had to go a long distance. It's a seasonal business, so getting bricks, the best option here would be to make our own, but that wasn't possible. So we had to go as far as possible to make sure we can get these materials. But for the sand and the rest of the other material, that was easy, except for the bricks. But we are thankful that we were able to find a supplier. And so today is another day, and right now our engineer who's in charge of construction of our house is doing measurements for the foundation, the layout of our house, so that bricklaying of the foundation can start. This is a seamless job, and with this house we honestly don't want it to take a long time. So we had to employ a good number of people to help with the construction and make sure this job goes off seamlessly and does not delay. So everything is available right now. All the materials needed, basically everything they could need, even the provision of their feeding, their lunch and their breakfast. Yeah, you need to treat the people working for you well so that the job can be as seamless as possible and less stressful.
Yeah.
Eh? Ya om. Gira leta kada mara kana tunani za ba soja masu ko kuma ngore.
An ce ta goma stiza.
So here, this is something I hadn't shown you before, but this peat right here, this is a peat where you see this wood covering on the ground. That's the peat. It's for our outdoor toilet, and this is the distance between the peat and the house. We cover the peat so that nothing can fall in, or no one should fall in, because if anything like that happens and someone falls in or you fall in, that is on you as the one constructing. So you need to cover the peat. This is where our latrine or outdoor toilet will be, and right, this is how the house looks like for now, and we couldn't be happier. And then on another note, we got gifted small poles, tiny poles that will be used in the construction of the house, especially when it comes to putting iron sheets. Our forest, the trees there, most of our trees are extremely big, and to put iron sheets we need smaller trees like these that are shown. And our neighbor gracefully, God bless him, gifted us 10 poles from his forest, because his forest is still young. Those are the poles that we need when it comes to putting iron sheets on the house. So we are really grateful. We have some amazing neighbors, and our another neighbor in fact gifted us a road, a path, because the road bringing us to our farm, it was not big enough for cars and tractors to access the property. But that neighbor also gave us that land for free. Usually you would have to pay to get that kind of path of land, but our neighbors are so good. We thank God for that. We were gifted these things at no cost whatsoever. So anyway, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be taking you on a journey of how far the house is and all the construction at the farm. Hope you have a good day. Bye bye.